The following are the strategies to be used to acquire stock. We're going to discuss them in detail in later chapters. Cash-backed call, cash-secured call. This strategy allows an investor to purchase stock at the lower strike price or market price during the life of the option. Cash-secured put. The cash-secured put involves writing a put option and simultaneously setting aside the cash to buy the stock, if assigned. Covered strangle covered combination. This strategy is appropriate for a stock considered to be fairly valued. Long call calendar spread call horizontal. This strategy combines a longer-term bullish outlook with a near-term neutral bearish outlook. We would like to thank you for taking the time to watch the videos that we have put together for you today. Take a look and subscribe to our YouTube channel, our Instagram, our Facebook page, and reach out if you have additional questions. We would love to hear from you. Check out our website for more information. Go to www.OptionTradersNetwork.com. Thanks so much.